In this video, I want to talk about how you can get YouTube on your JCV TV. Now, the way that you can do this is you want to head over to the app section on your TV, and what you can do is there will be something called the App Store on your TV. So you just want to get your remote and then you want to try and find wherever you have the App Store. It might be in the interface, in the home screen. I'm not sure where it is, but you want to look for anywhere for apps. Once you're in there, you simply want to search for YouTube, and after that, you can just install it. So that is basically how it works. Now, if you have a really old TV, you might not be able to get it from the App Store, and then you might not be able to get it on your TV unless you somehow screen share it from your phone. You can also do that sometimes, but if it's really old, you might not be able to do that. So just keep that in mind. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.